Hello friends, in today's video we will discuss how to merge two different graphs in Origin Pro software into one simple form of graph. For example, if you are working on two different type of graphs or models and you need to compile both graphs into one form, into one image, then you just need to open your Origin Pro software. For example, if this is the one plot, you want to add this graph with another graph as well and try to merge them in one image form, in one graph form, then you just need to go to file from here and then click on append. After clicking on append, you will see a dialog box will open here. Like, you have to find out the location where your second origin file is located. For example, if I want to merge this graph with the second one, which is in different origin file, then I need to select only the second origin file here. And after clicking on this, it will ask, do you want to create a new folder for appended project? Yes, we want to create a new folder because we are adding a separate graph into this graph. So we will click on yes and then click on OK. So after clicking, different graph from different origin file will be added into this single origin profile, and the message log will appear here. Duplicate names have been found and duplicates have been renamed. For example, if the file has the same name as second file has the same name as this previous file, then duplicate names will be rearranged or duplicate names will be deleted automatically. Okay, so once you have append all the graphs, you just need to click on this graph. After clicking, you go to merge graph windows and then click on open dialog. Either you have two type of graphs or three types of graph, or whatever the number of graphs will be, you just need to click on this arrow sign, and when you click, you need to click on all in project. For example, you are going to merge all the graphs in your project into one simple and one single graph image. Okay, so you need to click on all in project. After that, you need to select how many number of rows and how many number of columns do you want. For example, if I have two different graphs in two different origin files and I want to merge them into one image, and I want to keep both graphs in a single row but in two different columns, then I will select number of rows will be 1 and number of columns will be 2. And here you can change the condition whatever you want, and also you can change the horizontal and vertical gap or and left margin and the right margin according to your requirement. If you keep it as it is, 2 by a difference of 2 or 5 then it is also okay. But if you need to change, if you find it suitable to change, then you can simply change from here, and after changing you can simply click on OK. So when you click on OK, you can see two different graphs from two different origin files have been merged into a one single form. That is, this one is for friendly and this one is for DR isosum model. In this case, whatever the number of graphs, if you want to merge three different graphs, you can simply go to file and then go to append and then select the folder or file where you have saved, and then you need to click on graph and then click on merge graph windows and then click on all the files in the project and then click on OK. So here you can see both graph that are in different origin files have been merged into a single image form. You can simply save the data here, and also if you want PNG form of this file, then you can go to file option and then click on export graph and then open dialog. Here you need to select the folder where you want to save it, and for example, if you want to save this image in the TIFF form, you can select TIFF. If you want to save in PNG, you can select PNG. And what's the name of this? It is the compile graph. So whatever the file name you want to rename, you can simply click on this, and whatever the folder, for example, if you want to save this graph into your desktop, you can simply click on desktop. here you can select the different location. Okay, so and the number of dpi dots per inch you can also select from here. Either you want to make it a 300 or 600, it depends upon your requirement. After clicking after setting all the changes, you can click on OK. So the graph will save in png form on the desktop. You can simply go to desktop and then open your graph. So here you can see this is the merge form of graph, and this graph looks better as compared to that you are saving this graph in a separate file and this graph in a separate file, and then you merge them in a word format. So here you can see both graph have similar height and similar width. Both look adjacent to each other. Both look both graph have similar formatting, so it looks nice as compared to saving each graph of friendly and each graph of your studied model in a separate individual png form. So this is how you can merge any number of your graphs into a one png form. So in next video we will discuss some more aspect related to region pro software, so stay tuned. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Stay tuned. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.